set the world on fire.
Alright, here it is.
I just wanna start
This'll work.
a flame in your heart. In my heart, I have a
All right.
desire.
Caffeine.
That one is you. No other will do. I've lost all ambition for worldly acclaim.
Yo, so how we gonna do this, Mr. Distractions?
Well, these pills contain caffeine, which is really soluble in hot water, but most of this other stuff isn't soluble in water, so we'll start by adding water, and then we'll heat it up.
I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to
It
start.
looks a little thick, but, well, once we get the caffeine dissolved, it looks a lot thinner. Now we can filter off all that solid stuff that did dissolve in the water, and we should have relatively pure caffeine water at the bottom. Alright, now we just need to cool it down.
What do you mean by that, Mr. White? Sorry, I mean Mr. Distractions.
Well, you see, caffeine is really soluble in hot water, but not so much in cold water, so if we cool it down, then the caffeine crystals will sort of form.
I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start.
Now we can filter off the caffeine from the remaining water, and boom, caffeine.
What the fuck? It's yellow. Can't have a yellow product.
It looks like there's some yellow additives in here that are more soluble in water than caffeine is. So I think we can actually just do some recrystallizations and we'll be able to get this yellow stuff out. Alright, to recrystallize it, we're going to need to add some fresh water, and we're going to have to stir it over heat. This will turn the solid caffeine back into a liquid, and from there, we can cool it down again to reform the crystals in a purer form than they were before. So now we just need to do some filtration to get the crystals off. And there we are, pure caffeine.
Yes! We did it! That's pure crystal, man!
No, it's not pure enough. We need to get it more pure.
That looks fucking perfect to me. Trust me, I've been in this business long enough.
No, wait a minute. Caffeine sublimates.
Sublimates? What the fuck is that?
It means if you heat it, it goes from a solid to a gas.
Okay, and?
So if we heat it, it goes from a solid to a gas. Look, we just need to take the caffeine and heat it up. This will drive the water off. And from there, we put a lid on it and we sublimate. This drives the impurities off while leaving behind the pure caffeine on the sides. Then we can just sort of tap it to get the caffeine off. And there we go, pure caffeine. We did it.
So how much? You know, like dollar-wise.
71 a kilo times 5 grams. 35?
35,000? Like each?
What? No, 35 cents.
35 cents each? I don't got fucking time for this shit, man.
Fucking bull. I thought it was fun.